Hi, this is Ruth Finance. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I make money online with Forex trading. If you've ever wondered how people earn an income trading currencies, or you want to explore a way to grow money from home, this video is for you. I'll break it down into 5 clear steps, even if you're a complete beginner. And I'll also share a secret method I personally use to make money passively without doing all the heavy chart analysis or placing every trade myself. If you want practical steps that actually work, hit that like button right now and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Before we dive into the 5 steps, let me share a quick personal story. I lived in the UK for 3 years, and that's why I first met a full-time Forex trader. Before that, I thought Forex was complicated, risky, and probably too good to be true. But having conversations with someone who made a living from Forex trading really changed my perspective. I realized Forex isn't gambling, it's a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned, practiced, and used responsibly. Now I want to be clear upfront. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Forex can generate income and many traders make a living from it. But it also comes with risks. I've lost some money before, and you probably will too when you're starting out. That's normal. The key is to win more than you lose. Manage your risk and make sure any losses are always one you can handle. That's exactly why I'm going to walk you through these 5 steps. Step 1, understand Forex and set the right mindset. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is simply buying one currency and selling another, hoping to profit from the change in value. Think about when you travel and exchange money. If you swipe US dollars to British pounds and later the rate moves in your favor, you could swap back and end up with more money than you started with. That's all Forex is at its core, trading currencies. But the most important part isn't the technical definition, it's your mindset. My first lesson in the UK was that Forex is a skill, not a lottery ticket. Success doesn't come from luck, it comes from educational practice and discipline. You don't need a degree, but you do need clear goals and yourself. Do you want to trade actively, or you're more interested in passive exposure through copy trading? Both are valid, and I'll show you both today. Spend time learning the basics, currency pairs, what pips and lots mean, and how leverage works. Leverage is powerful. It can magnify gains, but it also magnifies losses. So start small, stay disciplined, and accept that you will take losses at first. Think long-term, focus on risk management, and don't expect overnight riches. Step 2, choose the right broker. The broker is your gateway to the market. You need to look for regulation and trustworthiness. Low spreads, fast execution, good support, and convenient funding options. Personally, I choose Pepperstone because of their low spreads, fast execution, and the fact I got a dedicated account manager when I joined. That gave me confidence when depositing money and starting to trade. If you're new, always use their demo account first. Practice with virtual funds until you're confident, and remember, regulation matters. Always go with a broker licensed in a major jurisdiction so your money is protected. Step 3, open your account's demo first, then live. It's a simple process. Sign up on the broker's website with your real details, verify your identity with an ID and proof of address, and then create a trading account. Choose your platform, usually MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and decide on your leverage. My advice, pick conservative leverage like 1-2 or 1-5 if you're a beginner. Once you're set up, Download the trading app or platform and log in. Start with a demo account. I got $50,000 in virtual funds on mine. Practice fast, and when you're ready, fund your live account with an amount you can afford to lose. Even $100 or $200 is enough to begin practicing with real money. Step 4. Place trade and manage risks. Here's the process I follow. First, choose a currency pair. Majors like Euro and US dollar or Great British Pounds and US dollar are best. Open the chart and watch price movements. As a beginner, keep it simple. You don't need lots of indicators. Decide whether you think the price is going up or down. Pick a trade size carefully. Micro lots like 0.01 are perfect for starting small. Golden rule here is always set a stop loss and take a profit before you enter the trade. Stop loss protects you if the market goes against you. Take profit locks in gains when the market hits your target. Place your trade, then let it run. Don't constantly fiddle with it and don't chase losses. I also recommend keeping a trading journal. Record your entries, exits, stops, losses, reasons, and results. Over time, you will see patterns in what works for you. Step 5. Copy trading. The passive approach. If you don't have time to analyze charts daily, copy trading can be a game changer. This is what I personally use for passive income. Here's how it works. You link your account to a professional trader, and whether they place a trade, your account automatically mirrors it. The key is picking the right trader to copy. Look for consistency, not just flashy high returns. Check their drawdown, win rate, and follower numbers. Set your risk carefully and always start small. Copy trading is not risk-free. You share both wins and losses, but it's a realistic way to earn passively while you learn. And that brings me to the close. Forex can be powerful, but it's not magic. Start small, learn the basics, protect your capital, use a demo account before going live, choose a broker you can trust, and if you don't have time for actively trading, consider copy trading. If this video helped you, hit that like and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps me keep creating content like this. Drop a comment below and let me know which step you'd like me to dive deeper into next. And thank you so much for watching. This is Ruth Finance, and I'll see you in the next video.